Okay, so this is the new plugin that we have on our website here. This NDIZI. So this is where all the project management is going to go. There's a work order page now on the website, and what that page is let's see here. Let me find it. Under free estimate, work order. So the client would receive a key, and well, you could see, go ahead and log out. And so they put that access key in there, and I'll show you where that's going to happen. And that way they could check on their projects. So here we'll manage clients. So let's say that we want a new client, we'll add Rich. Okay, so we'll go, there's client, and we can put his phone number in. Probably be a good idea just to put all the information. We'll use his Gmail here. And when they have multiple sites like this, just put maybe their main site, like orderlegalsteroids.com, and then maybe just add a note about the description. Now see this access key, we can make this client active or not active to where they could go here, they could put that access key in and log in, send us a work order, or check on their current invoice the way it stands. So I'll click Add New Client. Okay, so now we have another client added besides Sandra that I added earlier. And so we could manage projects. And so we could select New Project. And maybe we could call this Legal Steroids RX project. This has to do with 35% work on Legal Steroids RX.com. And then we'll select the client, Richard Wyatt, and we'll make this project active. So we'll add the new project. Now anything that has to do with Legal Steroids RX will be managed in tasks. And so we would have a new task. So let's say the project is under Richard Wyatt, Legal Steroids RX. You click that and add product descriptions. Okay. And sometimes you could just like copy this and put it right in there. And then you could give it a priority, high, medium, or low. We'll make it low. And if it's finished, waiting for approval, waiting on client's response, you know, we could give it a work in progress. And we can assign it to a user, like I can assign it to you. Okay? And then I'll just click Add New Task. Alright. So, and then we can manage the time down here and put like new time report. And the project would be Legal Steroids RX. Duration, I don't know, 50 hours or something. This is the time we spent on adding description. So on here. I know I misspelled that. I knew you'd catch it. Okay. And so the user would be you, Karen Leaf, and add new time report. Okay. So we see that it was, looks like it was 50 minutes. You know what, let me edit Sandra's, because looks like we have to. Okay, so it'd be 4 hours, and then I just put a summary of $100. I guess you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Then this would be, instead of, you put 40 hours there. But I mean, you can edit this one. So, and then if you need another time report with me working on Legal Steroids RX, you probably just do this, Legal Steroids RX, duration, let's go 5 hours, user, Maximus McCullough, work on product descriptions. So, and then that would be it. And then down here you can manage the invoices. So, I don't know if this would be really that necessary. We'll go ahead and go in here and see what it all entails. Legal Steroids RX. I really don't think that you have to do this one because we have the invoices up here. But what you can do is whenever you get ready to enter stuff into the invoice, is you can take the description, you know, and then take the time, and then there's the client, and you'll be ready to go. Now this should be, say, Rich Wyant 35 or whatever, and then you would just enter that information into the invoices. So you can basically have this on one screen and that one on the other, and that would probably be work out a little bit better for you. So if you want to see projects right here, we see the total of everything. So this is 5 hours. Oh, that still says 4 minutes. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Give me a call or whatever if you want me to talk. If you want to talk about it, but I think this is going to make our stuff a little bit easier to deal with.